The KROQO Steam Cleaner is an environmentally friendly device that uses high-temperature steam to clean without the need for chemicals, making it a great choice for families with children and pets. Equipped with a high-capacity water tank, this steam cleaner can operate for up to 50 minutes, ensuring you can tackle extensive cleaning tasks without frequent refills. Its user-friendly design includes a safety lock on the handle to prevent accidental steam release, offering a secure and worry-free cleaning experience. The versatile 23-in-1 accessory set allows for efficient cleaning across various surfaces, from tiles and hardwood to windows and fabrics, eliminating the need for multiple cleaning devices. The steam cleaner's mobility is enhanced by a long power cord and swivel wheels, making it easy to maneuver and reach different areas of your home. With a 2-year limited warranty and reliable after-sales support, KROQO ensures customer satisfaction and peace of mind for long-term use.